Sensational instant weave. Updo and half wig tutorial. For combs and drawstring, quick Updo style. Style your natural hair in a bun. Adjust the drawstring to tighten the cap. Pin comb into the bun as shown. Curl baby hairs with pencil straightener. Voila! Half wig style. Section off some leave-out hair. Section back part into two low buns. Curl leave-out with pencil straightener.
Please share and like.
Secure the wig combs along the leave-out part. Secure back comb into place. Blend leave-out and style as you want.
Please share and like.